Sri Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
There are 6 points of surrender unto Krishna. One point of surrender is to believe that Krishna will protect me. Just like a small child has got full faith in his mother. My mother is there. There is no danger. Confident. I have seen it. Everyone. I thought, I'll narrate one practical experience. In Calcutta, in my younger days, I was traveling in tram, and my youngest son, he was with me. He was only 2 years old, or 2.5 years old. So the conductor, out of joke, asked him, "Give me your fare." So he first of all said, like this, "I have no money." So the conductor said, "Then you get down." He immediately said, "Here is my father." You cannot ask me to get down. My father is there. But this is the psychology. If you are opposed, Krishna, then even the greatest fear will not agitate you. That is a fact. So such a thing is Krishna. Try to achieve this greatest boon, Krishna. And what Krishna says, Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhaktya pranasyati. My dear Kaunteya, Sanat Kunti Arjuna declare in the world that my devotees will never be vanquished. Will never be vanquished. Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranasyati. Similarly, there are many passages in the Bhagavad Gita. I am quoting from Bhagavad Gita because this book is very popular all over the world, and try to understand, read this book, very valuable book of knowledge. So, Krishna says, Aham sarvasya prabhava matta sarvang pravartate iti matya bhajante mang buddha bhava samannita. Who can worship Krishna? That is described here. That Buddha means most intelligent person. Bodha means knowledge. And Buddha means one who is wise, full of knowledge. Everyone is after knowledge. Here you have got this Washington University, there are many students. They have come here to acquire knowledge. So, one who has acquired the perfection of knowledge or the highest platform of knowledge, he is called Buddha. So, not only Buddha, but Bhava Samannita. Bhava means ecstasy. One must be very learned and wise. At the same time, he must feel ecstasy spiritually. Such person, Krishna says, iti matya bhajante ma. Such person worships me or loves me. One who is very intelligent and one who is transcendentally very full of ecstasy, such person loves Krishna or worships Krishna. Why? Because iti matta, by understanding this, what is this? Now, aham sarvasya prabhava. I am the origin of everything. Sarvasya. Anything you bring, that is, if you go on, search out, then you will find ultimately it is Krishna. The Vedanta also says the same thing. What is Brahma? Athata Brahma Jigyasa.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,